2025 Ram 2500, 6.4 liter. All right, guys, brand new. Still got all the factory stuff on it. They keep tucking everything away more and more. Can't even see anything. Then there's the two cats right there. Then it wires into a single. And it's got this gigantic muffler we're gonna take off. Tailpipes 3.5 inch, gigantic resonator and tip. We're gonna take this muffler off and replace it with a vibrant bottle, large diameter bottle style, part number 17970. And as you guys can see, it's a straight through design. It'll give it a beautiful tone with not a lot of rasp because of all the perforated holes in it. You see that? So it's gonna give it a really clean, and it's a polished stainless steel 409, really clean. Here's the dimensions on it, guys, if you wanted to know. But there it is. We're gonna take it off, take this giant muffler and replace it. Stay tuned. And just for size comparison, look at the difference in size, just to show you guys. Huge difference in size. See that? All right, stay tuned. So this 2500 Ram, this is what it sounds like before. You guys can see, barely can hear it. Give a guess. Again. All right, stay tuned. We'll let you guys hear it after. 2025 Ram 2500. We showed you guys what it sounds like before. This is what it looks like after. Everything up here stayed the same. 2 catalytic converter stayed the same right there. Wires into a single there. Then as you guys can see, we installed the vibrant stainless steel resonator right there. Part number 17970. There'll be a link in the description on our website at exhaustaddicts.com. Get you some. Look at them welds, boys. That's when you know it's a good piece of metal. And it's clean. See, when the metal's like, this truck is brand new, and this is good quality metal by Vibrant, the welds come out phenomenal. As you guys can see, very easy, very clean, and it's just like a machine. Then tailpipe out the back, and you guys, even over here, look, they're beautiful. Then 3.5 inch pipe, and then the resonator, and we installed the tip out the back. We finished it off with an MBRP tip that he liked. So there it is. Stay tuned. Got a nice. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 99, so it's still under 100, which is perfect. You want it louder?
It'll still keep that clean tone, just be a little louder.
It'll be raspy a little bit.
I think I like it.
If it was me, I'd leave it like that.
Yeah, I like it.
Try it at least for a week.
Okay.
If you don't like it, it doesn't take but 30 minutes to cut that resonator off.
Right.
But honestly, that's perfect tone. It's clean, it's deep. One more? Yeah, that's clean tone. All right, go ahead and back it out. You guys can see it's nice, clean tone on it. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. It's our beautiful shop. We're right down the street from Skyline Hospital, right before Due West Avenue. That smoke you guys are seeing is the oil burning off from the muffler, the inside, when they manufacture it. Yeah, it's clean. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Ram 2500 with vibrant bottle style resonator. That would be actually a nice upgrade for me. Go 25 instead of 15. But do I need this much truck, guys? What do you think? I don't know. Because it's time to upgrade my Hemi. Same color, same everything. Not bad at all. It's clean. That's what he wanted. Ford F-150 2017 5.0 Coyote with a Flowmaster Super 44.